To help students engage in the course immediately from the beginning, there is a submodule called Course Communications. Edit the first topic page to include your office hours, communicate how often you will be checking and responding to emails, and the tools students will be expected to use. There are netiquette guidelines to help students better understand what is socially acceptable when communicating and collaborating online. As well, a topic page to list the hours and dates of any real-time virtual sessions you have planned, and instructions on setting up and getting technical help. Note that topic pages labeled as a web page can be edited by you, whereas topic pages linked are managed by CITL. Therefore, these pages will automatically update when edits are made.